Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, the servants of servants, the voice of the voiceless. Early life has taught me that the world is not built for inquisitive people like me. So I had to learn to live through the cracks of the evil system, surviving. They taught us that education is the key to success. But that's a lie. That's a collective lie to instill fear on the masses. The key to success in life is self-discovery and self-mastery. If you know who you are, then you will succeed in everything you do, because no one can stop you. No one can dictate you. No one can take your freedom away from you. So today, I'm here. We are continuing with the SA Skills Development Institute, Part 3. And the 9th course is Plumber General. This course will take 3 months. Plumber General is responsible for installing, repairing, and maintaining plumbing systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. This can include tasks such as installing and repairing pipes, fixtures, and appliances, dictating that the plumbing system meet building codes and regulations. The job involves installation of sewage and drainage systems, water supply systems, general and advanced sanitary fittings and fixtures in housing, commercial, and institutional setups, and maintenance of the plumbing system and fixtures for housing setups. Typical job roles, positions: residential plumber, industrial plumber, commercial plumber, journeyman plumber. The course number 10 is a solar PV installer. This course will take 3 months. Solar PV installer is responsible for ensuring efficient and reliable installation, maintenance, and repair of the solar PV systems as per industry standards. The job involves installation, testing, and commissioning of different electrical components of PV systems that meets the performance and reliability needs of customers, while complying with the applicable code standards and safety requirements. Typical job roles, positions: solar installer, electrician, solar system maintenance, and trainee. Number 11, the course technician instrumentation, 6 months. Technician instrumentation is responsible for dismantling, repairing, and replacing a range of instruments and faulty components in the instrumentation systems. The individual is also responsible for setting up, test equipment, troubleshooting components for instruments, and calibrating them, and also preparing service reports, documenting the repair and replacement of parts. The job involves assisting the supervisor engineer to perform maintenance activities of measuring and controlling process equipment in field as well as in control room, in calibration and installation in accordance with the approved procedures. Typical job roles, position: QC executive, production executive, production supervisor, junior engineer, technician. Eligibility: a diploma in electronics, electrical, mechatronics. For you to be eligible for this course, you must possess a diploma in electronics and mechatronics. 12, trainee chef and bakery, 3 months. Trainee chef bakery is also known as a pastry bakery. Is responsible for ensuring cleanliness at all stations and assist the CDP, chef de partie, and senior chef in preparation and presenting of pastry and bakery delicacies. The job involves assisting in the production of bakery delicacies, which involves tasks such as measuring and mixing ingredients and finishing baked delicacies, maintaining a clean work environment, assisting with the inventory, and ordering supplies following food safety norms, and learning from the experienced chefs. Typical job roles: position: apprentice baker, pastry chef assistant, kitchen assistant, senior bakery and pastry. Number 13, advanced technological training courses. These ones are for those IT guys, those smart guys who can program computers, who can assemble computers. Number 13, advanced diploma in automation, 6 months. The advanced diploma in automation, also known as PLC programmer and troubleshooter, is responsible for controlling various industrial processes involving development, testing, and commissioning the PLC programs, developing HMI, SCADA software used for monitoring various parameters of industrial processes, and finding and fixing the errors or faults during plant operation. The job involves programming PLC needed for control various industrial processes and troubleshooting faults in the machine or process plant. Typically, job roles, positions: PLC programmer, automation engineer, design engineer, service engineer. The course will be offered in partnership with Schneider Electric. Eligibility: only South African citizenship with a diploma degree in electronics, mechatronics, electrical or instrumentation, and computer science degree. 14, building automation specialist. This course will take 6 months. Building automation specialist, BAS, also known as building automation engineer, is responsible for system design, installation, and technical support for building automation systems involving environmental control, safety, security, and communications. The job involves system designing, wiring, integration, testing, installation, and maintenance of automation system in buildings, HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, FAC, fire alarm systems, ACS, access control systems, ECTV, closed circuit TV systems, HCS, hydraulic control systems, and IoT, wireless sensors networks. This is where industrial farming is coming. This is where most of the people who are going to learn industrial farming and new techniques in farming will be trained specifically. The typical job roles, positions for this: automation engineer, BMS engineer, home automation technician, diploma engineer trainee, KNX programmer, HVAC technician, etc. Industry partner, Schneider Electric. Eligibility to enroll: diploma or degree in information technology, electrical and electronics, mechatronics, instrumentation, and South African born citizens only. The reason why this SA Skills Development Institute must be developed is because we need these skills. The world is changing. Economy now will thrive only with a country skilled with technological skills. So we need the youth, especially the graduates, to enroll in this, to be empowered with this, so that they can move forward and create economy for themselves. Stay tuned for the next session, which is part 4 and the last part. Thank you.